Good day, 3D artist, and thank you for being here after all this time. Don't go anywhere because I have a little story to share with you. At 15, I had my first contact with 3ds Max. Back then, there was no internet, no guides, and no one to help me climb that steep learning curve. I remember the interface perfectly, a panel to create primitives and an endless list of modifiers, though we only ended up using a couple of them. But for me, the heart of everything was EditPoly. With it, any cube could become a character, a piece of furniture, or anything my imagination could dream up. Everything was visible, with intuitive names. It could be complex at first, but you knew the tools would always be there. Over time, Max became my central tool. I'd model the base there, detail it in ZBrush, and return to Max for the final polish: UVs, textures, scene layout, and packaging. I always knew the cost was excessive, but I made the most of every hour at university and worked to use it. However, the market changed. Perpetual licenses died, expensive subscriptions arrived, and the tool began to feel stagnant, especially when I started working as a freelancer. I tried migrating to Blender many times. I tried to learn it on the side, even now that internet access and tutorials are everywhere. But 18 years of using one tool weighed more than adapting to another that was completely different. But as the saying goes, necessity is the best teacher, and I had no choice but to leave Max overnight. I imagine I'm not the only one wanting to switch ecosystems and currently struggling to master Blender by stumbling through shorts that promise a new shortcut or a quick trick. But once you open Blender to try them, you realize that simply editing a mesh feels impossible because you come from a completely different school, one where tools were visible and you didn't rely so heavily on keyboard shortcuts or digging through endless menus. That's why I created PolyCave, a powerful add-on designed exclusively for those who need to use Blender and, like me, come from 3ds Max, but don't want to go through the tedious process of starting from zero once again. PolyCave gathers the main EditPoly tools and displays them intuitively in your workspace, so you don't have to struggle to find them or waste time searching for tutorials for simple tasks. Additionally, I've added several quality of life improvements. Whether we like it or not, Blender works differently, and we'll need to adapt at times. That's why I included functions that are already native to Blender, but optimized and adapted to our Max workflow. The reason I created PolyCave was to work more naturally in Blender. Right now, what I need is to model in 3D, not spend my time on basic beginner tutorials to start over. Eventually, future needs will push us deeper into Blender, but we'll start from everything we've already achieved in Max. What you've been seeing on screen is a modeling exercise using PolyCave with Blender's core tools and very few keyboard shortcuts. All those hidden functions are visible in my add-on. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll know I've never used Blender this way before. I always worked with Max and only used Blender to export models or STLs, never as my primary tool, until now. The goal of PolyCave is for you to lose the fear of starting with Blender, and, most importantly, to continue your workflow naturally on a new platform without having to relearn everything. Let daily use be the perfect excuse to learn Blender intuitively, without leaving your comfort zone. Big changes require willpower, but a helping hand always comes in handy. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to tell you that you can already find PolyCave in my Horncave resources on CG Trader. I'll leave the link in the description. Right now, it's in paid early access, but when you see the ridiculous price, you'll understand it's just to keep these types of projects alive, and above all, to save you what a Max license costs. While it's in early access, I'll be listening to your feedback and any new features you'd like me to implement for future updates. You'll find the fundamental tools I use the most, but this project will keep growing. So don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on new versions, leave a comment, or send me a message on my Horncave account at CG Trader to share your suggestions. If I see enough interest from the community, we'll even set up a personal space on Discord. Without further ado, I bid you all farewell, and a very, very happy new year.